What's going on, everybody? Mr. Influenced here, back at it again with another video. Today's topic is going to be the market in general, what's been happening, just talking about the recent price correction of Bitcoin and all the other coins. Alexa, what is the price of Bitcoin?
One Bitcoin is worth $13,672 US.
As you can see, corrected by like $4,500, 4.2. It was sitting at like 17.5, 18 for a couple days, and since last night, yeah, we lost quite a bit of value. Now, you guys got to remember that with everything that goes up, it has to come down eventually. Of course, for those people that believe in the project and in the crypto space, if you don't want to be affected by any of this, just don't trade on days like this. If you don't sell, then your Bitcoin is still the same amount of Bitcoin. Even though the market's down, you're not losing any Bitcoin. It would be a whole different story if you were losing Bitcoin. But if you don't cash out or trade, then you're not involved with these prices. And for those people that shorted from last night till today, congratulations. I know you guys made some pretty decent profit. I was margin trading a little bit, worked out for me pretty well. Earned a couple hundred bucks. Always nice. It's always nice to profit on a day that stuff is going down. You guys have to make sure that you guys have something that's making you profit. If it's BitConnect, or if it's start options, or if it's a masternode, or if it's your mining rig or anything like that, then just make sure or if you're working, just make sure you're making some type of profit every day, so you're not affected by stuff like this. Make sure you're not invested. Make sure you didn't invest where you're not willing to lose. If you did, and just take out whatever you're not willing to lose, and then just hold the rest. And then once you guys get good enough to like day trade and day trade some of your capital, then you can start. And if you see that it's actually working and your strategy works, then you guys could, but until you have that knowledge, do not go out there and try trading this stuff, because many of you did not know that it was going to go from 17.5k to this price right here, and I think it dropped even lower. It dropped close to like to 11k. I think it was like 11.4k. That's a pretty big correction, and I know a lot of you could have profited. A lot of people probably didn't. I know some of my friends texted me and they're like, "Hey dude, I got some more Litecoin at 250." I was like, dope dude, if you're just averaging out your cost. Of course, if you got in at like the 54 range where I did, that's a good place to be at, because you're pretty safe from all this. Most likely, if there was like a serious correction, like a crash, then it would go back to these levels, because there's a lot of support there. But I don't know, just 2018, it's a whole different year. We have a crazy amount of market cap. We're still at over $500 billion in the total market cap. That's insane. The past 24-hour volume is freaking 51.6 billion traded in the past 24 hours. The Bitcoin dominance is at 44.4%. Yeah, the Bitcoin dominance is pretty low. I always remember it, like I say this all the time, I always remember it being around the 51% range. But yeah, Bitcoin Cash doing pretty well, 2.8k. I'm guessing it is going to be doing pretty well because of the fact that it's on Coinbase, and BitPay now accepts it as well. So like transactions are occurring through Bitcoin Cash. That makes a coin valuable, because before people were not able to spend any type of Bitcoin Cash for fiat or goods and services, and now they can. If a coin is being used, it brings a lot more value to the coin. So I do see Bitcoin Cash going up for the next. I just see it being as a good investment. We could see some more downtrend. It doesn't look like it fully has finished correcting, it actually looks like we might be at another one of those tips. It looks like we could be forming one of those again. Let me zoom in a little bit so you guys can get a better picture of this. Yeah, if you guys see it, it looks like it. If it breaks out here, then awesome, and it makes a full recovery, then that's awesome. But I think it could take a couple days, especially that it's the weekend. For the next 3 days, I don't think much trading is going to be happening. I think it's going to be like less than normal. But once the holidays are over, I think we're going to be heading back into a bull market. Definitely holding strong though. Like when a couple months ago, when Bitcoin would correct, it would get a lot scarier because we didn't have much market supply or anything like that. We're still at $500 billion. When I got in, it was like 80 billion. I know that's still pretty late, but at 80 billion, stuff was acting different. But some stuff still acts the same. You have to like keep notes of what's going up when Bitcoin goes down. Like Electroneum was holding really well during the crash, Satoshi wise, not US dollar wise, because US dollar wise it went down a little bit, but Satoshi price, it's definitely holding, and that's a good sign for Electroneum. You have to keep note of, like, let's see, NXT went up. Just make sure it wasn't just another pump or something. Find out what the reason it went up like this. Once you find that out, then keep a note of it, because it could help out in the future. Because next Bitcoin correction, you know what to get into early. I'm not a financial advisor, of course. Do your own research and don't invest anything that you're not willing to lose. You don't want to. You don't want to go broke because of this stuff. You want to make some money. So put in like 5-10%. Once again, I'm not your financial advisor, but I would put like 5-10% of what you're worth in general, like your net worth, and go from there. And if you lose it, go make it back in the real world. And yeah, if you guys like trading, then look into learning all the technical analysis and stuff and psychology behind trading, and yeah. But it does look, we're holding pretty good right now. Let's hope that was the end of the crash. If not, it's okay. It's a time for me and you to accumulate more coins and strengthen our bags. So later on, when we do go back up to all-time highs and we make new all-time highs, our bag's nice and strong, and we got a whole lot of money in these coins. Definitely a time to accumulate. I would look for some lower prices. I don't know, next 3 days. I wouldn't do any trades for the next 3 days. Maybe on Christmas Day, start looking into when everyone's like out busy doing stuff. That's when you should be hopping in and looking for, like, all right, what's on sale today? What can possibly bounce back from the low tomorrow? That's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be shopping. It's gonna be a Christmas shopping day for crypto. Another thing I wanted to talk about is my channel. I hit 1,007. Let's refresh this. We got 1,072 subscribers. This thing went up by, like, I think it was 970 yesterday. It went up by 100 subscribers since yesterday. Thanks everybody for the support. We got 4.6k views on my video since 21 hours ago. That's insane. Not even a full day yet. Let me know what you guys want me to do different, what you guys would like me to talk about. Definitely trying to set up a schedule on, like, certain topics, like have a day for crypto news, have a day for an ICO, have a day for some live trading, some margin trading. Yeah, let me know what you guys would like to see. Make sure you check out the Influence Traders website. I got a beginner's guide on there. You guys can send all your friends to there. Eventually I'm gonna have a database in here where you guys can make an account and have your own account, and I'll let you guys earn something off, like, not really earn, but I'll see. We got to think of something. Maybe we'll put your links in here somehow. But yeah, we want this to be somewhere where people can go, and of course we got the live chat. I'm on the Brave browser right now, so not everything shows. Yeah, so we got a live chat in here. I'm usually in there throughout the day. I'm actually going to turn on my other computer right now and hop in. Got some ICOs listed in here. Some cryptocurrencies, the top ones. Talked about what they are and everything. Lending platforms. Of course, Bitconnect. I wouldn't throw down a lot of money on something like Bitconnect, because you rather be profiting with your own. It's like you're handing someone money to make money with your money. Why not just learn how to make money with your money? You know what I mean? Like learn how to make money. Learn how to earn more Bitcoin with your Bitcoin, instead of investing like this. But if you just don't want to be in the space and you just want to be there taking profits, then hop in Bitconnect and go earn your 1% a day and see how it works out. Then we got a beginner's guide for everybody that's new. Tells you what step by step what you would have to do to like get into this crypto space, the basics. But yeah, so I'll be giving out 1,000 Electroneum weekly for the next, let's say, like, we're just gonna keep doing it every week for now. I don't know for how long, it could be a while, but make sure you comment, comment, subscribe, and make sure you comment your Electroneum wallet address under this video, and you'll be able to, you're gonna be entered in a raffle for 1,000 Electroneum every week. So if you comment, you just look out for these videos with the giveaways if you want to earn some extra Electroneum. I did say I was gonna do Electroneum giveaways, and I think this is a pretty cool way to do it. Just 1,000 Electroneum a week. Nothing huge, nothing insane, but always something for you guys. And if that thing goes to $1, it's $1,000 a week. You know what I mean? That you guys could be possibly winning. So that's pretty much it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next video.